Get started in supply chain management. Suppose you're interested in pursuing a career in supply chain management. In that case, there are several steps you can take to get started. Here are some tips for landing your first job in the field. Gain relevant experience. Many supply chain management roles require practical experience in logistics, inventory management, or procurement. Consider internships or entry-level positions to gain hands-on experience. Network. Building relationships with professionals already in the supply chain industry can help you gain insight into job opportunities and make valuable connections. Stay informed. Follow industry news and trends to stay current on the evolving landscape of supply chain management. Consider joining professional associations or attending conferences to stay connected to the latest developments in the field. Dive deeper into the world of supply chain management by exploring our previous video.